Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide Anindya Banerjee. आज एशियन इक्विटी मार्केट से हल्का सा सेल ऑफ है, बट डॉलर इंडेक्स में उसका कुछ इम्पैक्ट नहीं है, अभी तक नहीं है एटलीस्ट. डॉलर इंडेक्स is slightly lower. Asian currencies are marginally strong. Oil prices are not a factor. 80 के आसपास है Brent, and bond yields are also not in the game. Therefore, dollar rupee 82.70 जहाँ पे offshore trade कर रहा है. So it's going to be a flat open for USDINR if the onshore market opens where the offshore is. Now, interestingly, we are in the last 2 weeks of the 2022 year. And generally, ये देखा गया है कि last 2 weeks of the year or the last 2 weeks of December is quiet for the currency markets, but not always. There have been years like 2017, 2021, जो last year था, and even 2016. जब big moves have happened in the dollar index and जिसके फलस्वरूप USDINR has made some sharp moves. So therefore we cannot let our guard down thinking that because it's a fag end of the year, everything will be quiet. Yes, that has been the pattern for most of the times, but there have been a few times जब बड़ा move हुआ है. And yes, big moves happen because generally this last two weeks of December, the liquidity is very low. और low liquidity में अगर कोई major move start होता है, it can be much bigger than what it would have been other times because the impact cost is high. So keep that in mind. Dollar rupee के लिए there are certain interesting markers that Indian rupee has been underperforming for a consistent 3 consecutive months. Now, generally, it has been seen that after 3 months of underperformance, rupee tends to outperform. Not always, but I would say the probability of rupee outperforming from Jan is high. Now, we have to see whether that happens or not. Or USDINR seems like जो price action है 83 के ऊपर looks unlikely to travel right away because 83 quarter जो previous all time high है 83 quarter के आसपास, that's going to be a zone of supply. Similarly, 82.50 and then 82.25. These are the support levels on USDINR. Now we have short positions through options. मतलब हम लोगों ने straddle, strangle or iron fly beche hain. So we have all these kind of positions in the market. And these trades should actually make money because the dollar rupee has not been able to break through 83. So this is a kind of a trade which you can also do for the year end, that is short straddles or short strangles. And if you don't want to take the risk of a sudden big move, then you can definitely do a iron fly. Because iron fly में advantage क्या है? If there is a big move, your position already has an inbuilt stop loss. But so the suggestion is rather than doing directional bets, unless we see a clear move, right now the trade is short straddle, short strangle or short iron flies to benefit from a range bound market. अगर कोई बड़ा move दिख रहा है, we'll definitely use futures to participate in that direction. But as of now, as I said, 83 quarter is the upper cap on USDINR, 82 half and then 82.25 are the important support levels to watch. Broad range अगर बोला जाए for the next 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks, that is including the first week of Jan, it looks like 82 quarter, 83 के आसपास. So that's going to be the broad range. So that's the reason why once again our focus will be to sell options and collect the premium, but proper position sizing and proper stop losses has to be maintained. Otherwise, there is a risk of huge losses in option trading. So keep that in mind. Proper risk management has to be there. Cross currencies में Euro INR, GBP INR, JPY INR, उसमें से JPY INR may see a slight upside move after the open, but Euro INR and GBP INR may actually have a flat day. And there are no major economic data over this week which will really drive markets. So it's going to be largely the overall risk sentiment. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.